Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi 12C and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's open the settings and here let's scroll down in order to find sound and vibration. As you can see right here, we've got the whole ringtone section. We can change the ringtone or the sound for the notifications, calls and the alarms. I'll show you how to do it using the ringtone itself, so let me tap on it. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the section in the Themes app, I believe. So here we've got, of course, the local ringtones and the pre-installed ringtones, but here we can also pick some new ones, like from the internet. You can see that we've got the love, instrumentals, nature, party, essentials, music genre, and the moods and the lifestyle. Here we've got also the categories, so you can pick the new top, your favorites if you've got ones, and you can enter another categories if you want to. So of course you can do it, but I will stick with the options which are connected to the device, so the local ringtone and the pre-installed ringtone. If you want to, you can pick the local ringtone, and after picking this option you will be transferred to your own files. So let me allow it. Your own files, for example, in the recorder, the file manager, and if you will have any compatible files downloaded, for example, from the internet or recorded by yourself, you will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone. But let me get back and let me show you something from the pre-installed ringtones, and let's choose the ringtone. As you can see here, we've been transferred to the full list of the fully installed ringtones right here. Again, here by tapping on this plus icon, we can select a tone. So if you've changed your mind, you don't have to get back. You can just tap on this plus icon. On the other hand, at the very top of this list, we've got the option Don't Set a Ringtone, which simply means that after picking it, your device will not use the chosen actually any ringtone to notify about the incoming call. So if you want to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it and you will be able to listen to it. And as you can see, it is at the same time applied. Do I have it silent? No. Alright, as you can see, you have to tap on it once and then you will be able to listen to it, for example this Glee one, or even not. So as you can see, unfortunately, whenever you will tap on it, it will be immediately set. So sometimes you will have to tap on it twice, okay, I know, to listen how it sounds. But after that, just make sure that the option like to use is marked, is highlighted, and after getting back you will be able to see that it is notified right here, which simply means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify about the incoming call. And as you can see, it will be also right here in the sound and vibration it is shown. So basically that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your Xiaomi Redmi 12C. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.